Hey guys, Mrs. Lamphere here. A couple things I wanted to show you. There are just a couple things I wanted to kind of go over in this short video. The first is making sure you guys are checking for my feedback. So when it comes to assignments, and say you've submitted an assignment and you missed some points, or even if you got full credit for an assignment, I almost always include some sort of feedback. So make sure you're checking for it. It's in like the comment. I just kind of copied and pasted this from some feedback I gave a student recently, and a lot of times I give you the opportunity to earn points back. So make sure you answer the questions that I checked wrong, or I usually just highlight them if they're wrong and I'll paste them. Or if there's a lot that you kind of missed, especially with the study guide, I'll save it and reattach the study guide and show you everything that's you're missing or something that's incorrect, and then send that back to you and give you the opportunity to make those corrections and resubmit it. So make sure you're checking for my feedback on all of the assignments that you submit, and also make sure too if you submitted something that maybe went into the wrong Dropbox, or maybe you misunderstood the assignment and did it completely wrong. That's when I put this red in the grade column, I guess you could say. So in your grade book, if you ever see an assignment that has the word read next to it, that means I've read what you submitted and something's wrong with it. So make sure you go back into those and read my feedback and correct that assignment. So this will go in the grade book as a 0. So make sure, again, this shows you that I've read it and I've said something back to you, so make sure that you read this assignment because something is wrong. So a couple things there that I wanted to clear up with you. Also, something I wanted to tell you about is I added this new kind of feature to our classroom called the Open Classroom. And what this is a chance for us to jump into a Class Connect setting should you have any questions. So for example, I had a student call me earlier about this upcoming about an assignment that he was working on, and I had to kind of walk him through some things over the phone, which was really kind of difficult, and we got through it, but it'd be a lot easier if we would have had a classroom to jump into so I could show him and allow him to see my screen and work on it that way. So I created this open classroom for us to be able to do that from now on. So if you ever have a question on an assignment and you want to meet me in the classroom, you do need to let me know. I won't be just sitting in this classroom waiting for you guys to show up. Let me know, shoot me a K-mail or hit me up on the chat box and say, hey, I'm having issues with this assignment. Could we get together and look at it? And I'll say, yep, meet me in the classroom right now. And so you'll go to this Open Classroom link and click on this link here to enter into, and it's just a regular Class Connect session, that we can go into, and I can show you my screen, we can work on the assignment and work things out a little better than over the phone. So just wanted to let you know that that Open Classroom is available to you. Again, but you need to let me know if that's something you want to do. I won't be sitting in there waiting until you show up. So just let me know. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Thanks.